Yes, John Easthuisen must explain himself in the lifestyle audits. I saw that matter that he owes, I don't know what he's owing. Credit card, man. Imali, kuchiwo. Ayindimo joyo. Kuthi uyitya dlaka nizongathi umbali uthe uJohn utya imali dlaka kusho uJohn uyitya dlaka imali yakhe.
Welcome to Extratainment and News Letipi Bafethu. As the ANC is on the center stage of being exposed for its corruption, it looks like even their official opposition is battling its own internal crisis. As their leader and president, John Steenhuisen, is alleged to be accused for misusing the DA's credit card for his own personal expenses. They say he's busy squandering the political party's money on Uber Eats and takeaways. As this just remains allegations at this point, however, the ANC couldn't wait to take this as a window of opportunity for them to take a jab at the DA as they aim to redeem themselves. Let's just take a look and listen to Fikile Mbalula on what he had to say about this.
Lifestyle audits, everybody in the government of national unity, they must appear, they must do lifestyle, all ministers. And those who fail lifestyle audits, Ambakai, because you must explain yourself. Lifestyle audits, you think it's a one-way process. It's not. You are subjected to a process where you are questioned and then you are given a free right to explain yourself. Unewochi engaka, minister with you explain yourself. Uhamba ngebike and all of that and so on. Abanye abantu bahamba ngeTaxi. How do you afford that? That's lifestyle audit. So, lifestyle audits must apply. You can't tell people in your department, you lead as a minister, that this and that must happen, and yet now you have not been checked. So, lifestyle audits must happen, even to John.
Stay tuned as I give you the latest on entertainment and news on Extratainment, Letipi Bafethu. Are here.